Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to refund a Western Union money transfer. Let's get started. First of all, make sure your transfer hasn't been picked up. Refunds are only available if the recipient hasn't received the money yet. Step 2. Contact Western Union customer service, call their hotline or visit a local agent location. Have your money transfer control number and your photo ID ready. Step 3. If you send money online, you can request a refund directly through the Western Union website or app. Log in, go to your transaction history, select the transfer and click request refund. And follow the prompts. After submitting your refund request, Western Union will process it. Refund times vary depending on how you paid, but you will usually hear back within a few days. And that's it. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.